Basically, this is a masterclass video for you to learn a lot about life, and this video will change your life. Basically, you can sell your skill or knowledge online and make a lot of money. You can sell your skill about anything. It can be football, poker, how to stop drinking alcohol, haircuts. Basically, you get an ability and you sell it online. You attract clients with your YouTube videos. Your clients watch your videos and go to a website in your channel where they book a call and you close the sale inside the video. You can charge at least 3K each one of your clients. So with only 4 clients, you will be making 12K per month. You just have to follow the information I just give you. And I know that a lot of you are like tired of society and want to make progress, but they don't know the way. But we are living in a capitalist world, so it's all about the money. So to have money, you have to start doing what you never done before, because all my people that it's around me are broke. I'm the one I'm not broke because I think different. Like the Steve Jobs, the slogan, think different, my friend. You just have to act as an authority and be yourself. Don't be controlled by public opinion, be yourself. Right now is the time to be yourself and expand your vessel to receive money, bro. You have to receive money. Allow yourself to receive money. Use the system in your favor. There are like 8 billion humans alive, there are a lot of humans alive. So take their money, like Andrew Tate says, bro, in the good way, solve problems. There are a lot of people with problems in this world. I can't believe it, how many problems there are in the world. So basically, start producing for others. Work 18 hours a day, bro. Help people in a good way and be yourself. Don't let others control you, and start making money. I have 100 videos for you that can teach you how to make a lot of money. Just book a call in my channel, in the website, book a call. But it's bro, escape the matrix, bro. Escape the fucking matrix and be consistent, all day, every day, don't stop. You know what I mean? And win this game of life, bro. Stop doing the things you have to stop doing. Start working. Stop consuming social media, porn. Don't consume all of these things. Consume high quality information so you become like a legendary human being, bro. Because all the shit you're consuming is like limiting yourself. Believe in yourself because, bro, greatness is within you, you know what I mean? Greatness is within you, So right now is the time to go big, is the time to elevate and go hard. If your YouTube videos doesn't get views, you can use TikTok, Instagram, or pay YouTube ads. But the opportunity is so fucking big, I'm making a lot of money in my life because I stopped doing the things I know I have to stop doing. So right now is the moment for you to go big, Go big or go home, or go big from home.